Today we're going to visit Jodrell Bank. But first we've got to get there, and for that we need one of these. Teleport control.
Teleport control.
Want to beam directly to Jodrell Bank.
Roger that.
Crikey, look at the size of it. For over 50 years, the giant Lovell telescope at Jodrell Bank has been a familiar feature of the Cheshire landscape and an internationally renowned landmark in the world of astronomy. Since the summer of 1957, it has been quietly probing the depths of space, a symbol of our wish to understand the universe in which we live. Even now, it remains one of the biggest and most powerful radio telescopes in the world, spending most of its time investigating cosmic phenomena which were undreamed of when it was first conceived. Neutron stars are created when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses. As this happens, the density becomes so immense that protons and electrons are supercompressed to form neutrons. The end result is a star only 10 kilometers across but weighing more than our own Sun. These exotic objects contain enormous gravitational fields, over 100 billion times stronger than our own gravity on Earth, and have super strong magnetic fields. Once a superstar is formed, it does not sit quietly in the cosmos, but instead is known to do something very interesting, which we are still trying to understand. Neutron stars are the most rapidly rotating stars that we know about, spinning at over 700 times per second. For most neutron stars, this creates a giant electronic generator which emits a deadly beam of high-energy particles. As the neutron star rotates, the high-energy particles appear to pulse, and this is analogous to a rotating lighthouse here on Earth, and this is why we call them a pulsar. The fast-moving particles can also produce a vast glowing cloud surrounding the star. But this telescope is no ordinary telescope. It is a radio telescope and can reach deeper into space than you could possibly ever imagine. But what else is hidden out there? As we are drawn into the black hole, we begin to experience the concept known as spaghettification, where time as we know it ceases to be the constant concept we all imagine it to be. Finally, the black hole claims its victims. Matter, antimatter, light and even time are reduced to a singularity and drawn in. And that brings us to a theory held by some scientists that our own universe was created by a black hole in another dimension, and that all the material in our universe has been drawn through a singularity. The astronomers at the University of Manchester work at Jodrell Bank and use the telescope to observe many exciting events, including the birth and death of stars, new planets outside our solar system, supermassive black holes at the hearts of other galaxies, and the origin of the universe, and of course, the Big Bang. Thank you for joining me at Jodrell Bank. Now it's time to go home. Transport control, come in.
Teleport control.
Want to beam back.
Roger that.
Home sweet home. Until next time.